Okay, next different kind of example for the 3 variable K map. Let us go for the first example. Let us go to the first example. Here I want to explain the remaining all possible examples which may create the different kind of mapping. So then let us go to the first one. Let us go to the first one here. So what are they? 1 3 4 5. 1 3 and 4 5. 4 and 5. So these are the for first question, these cells are selected. Let us do the mapping now. So now when you come to these 1 and 3, obviously we want different kind of students will think about the different kind of mapping. I can able to choose the 1 and 5. Yes, you can able to choose the, because there is only possible to create the one 2 cell mapping only. Okay, now after that you need to think about the remaining ones which are not in the mapping, so now one is not in the mapping, so I can able to take with the overlap with the one, and I can able to create the 2 cell group. Yes, you can able to create the 2 cell group. This kind of problems are different. Okay, now you can able to create the 1 2 cell group. After that, next to 4 and 5, so 1 adjacent is become 5, but already this is in the group. But if you take the overlap here also, I can able to create the one another group. Okay, you can able to create the group. Now there are 3 groups are created. One is a blue color one, another one is a red color one, another one is the green color one. There are 3 groups are available. Now whereas coming to the in 3 groups, which one is essential, which one is not essential, you must be thinking about that. Now see, here 3 groups are there, so I'm taking a line for the 3 group, first group and second group and as well as a third group. But when you come to the second group, red color group is not a essential, because how many cells are get grouped in the red color one? 2 cells are get into the group, but all are overlapped. In this red color group, all are overlapped. There are 2 cells are get grouped, but all are overlapped with the different kind of other groups. Now whenever the situation is come, then that is called as a not essential group. It is not a essential group. Here I can say that we should not consider in the answer. We should not consider this is in the answer. We can leave as a not to be considered in the answer. This is a not a prime implicant. No, this group is not a prime implicant. Okay, so that no need to take into the answer. Take in no need to take into the answer, because it is not a prime implicant, because there are 2 cells are there, 2 cells are get overlapped with the other groups. Now whenever you take a overlap in that group, minimum one group should be left as a without overlap, then only it is become a prime implicant. Whenever come to the blue color group, it is a prime implicant. There are 2 cells are there, one is in the overlap but one is left as a without overlap, then it is considered as a prime implicant. Here green color group also, there are 2 cells are there, one cell is in the overlap, another one is left as a without overlap. You take any group, but even minimum one group should be left as a minimum group, one cell is left as a without overlap, then that is called as a prime implicant. But whereas coming to the red color group, 2 cells are there, 2 cells are get overlap. We should not take it to the answer. Now answer will be, what is the answer for the blue color group? 4 and 5. Who are common for the 4 and 5? A is common and B dash is common, C is not common. Then answer will be A, B dash is answer. A, B dash is answer. Okay, now for this green color group, which one is a common? Let us go to the group here. Who are 1 and 3? 1 and 3. Here A dash is common and C is common, so that A dash C is become answer. The final answer will be f of A comma B comma C for that question. A B dash plus A dash C. This is the answer for given question. Okay. So let us can I move to the next question? Okay, because I think so you understand how which one is a prime implicant, which one is not a prime implicant. Okay, then let us go to the next example. Let us go to the next example. Now next example is about next example here 0 1 0 cell is selected, 1 cell is selected, 2 cell is selected, and 3 also selected, and 4 and 6. This example is very important and different one also. Now you already know that 0 1 3 4 3 2 can able to take a direct group with the 4 cell. Okay, here I am taking a 4 cell grouping. Okay, easily we can able to understand, we can able to select in a 4 cell group vertically, and one to each other they are adjacent one. So this 4 cell group has been completed. Then let us go to these two ones. Now we need to think about the ones which are not in the group. Now you maybe think that so we can able to group these two ones in this manner, as you can take. But thing is that if you take the overlap, we can able to create the 4 cell mapping, the folding paper manner. This is also folding paper manner only. We are making the we are creating the map of 4 and 6. After you get the fold, 4 and 6 will touch one to each other, so that we are creating a one map. But if you take the overlap, because 0 and 2 are also selected in the question, so if you consider them as a one overlap cells, then we can able to create the 4 cell group. Okay, so let us take the 4 cell group. Yes, easily we can able to perform the 4 cell group with overlapping of number 2 cell and 0 cell, number 2 cell and 0 cell. So in this way we have to think the proper grouping. Okay, so we can able to take the 4 and 6 individually, but individual groups are not create the maximum cell grouping. But if you consider the overlap, it's create the 4 cell grouping. So in this way we need to think. Then the answer of this question will be orange cell group. Answer is, which one is a common in these 4 cells? A dash is become a common. The next green color group, which value will be common? C dash will be common. Then answer for this question will be, answer for this question will be f of a comma b comma c. The answer is a dash plus c dash. Okay, a dash plus c dash. This is the answer for the given question. Then let us go to the third one. Then let us go to the third one, and the third one also very important one, different kind of problem. Third one. Third one. 0 5 0 5 and 6 7. 6 and 7. Now these cells are selected. See here, easily we can able to understand that here we can able to create a 1 2 cell grouping, but 3 should not create. This kind of grouping cannot recommended in the K map 3 cell, because we already discussed the point. We need to create a group of 2 exponential. We don't have the 3 value in any 2 exponential. 2 to the power 0 1, 2 to the power 2 is become a 4, but not there is no 3 grouping, so that we should not do it. We have to take alternate only, alternate with the 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7. After that, now we need to think about the 6 and 1, 6 and 0. Now 6 can able to create the group with overlapping. Okay, with overlapping we can able to create this group. You maybe think that if you fold the paper, 0 and 2 will be touch one to each other, 0 and 6 will not touch each other, and they are in a diagonal, they are in the diagonal, so we cannot create the group. Now this one we need to think about this not mapping cell and their alternative. 0 can able to map with the 4, but 4 is not selected, 1 also not selected. In folding method, 2 can able to map, but 2 also not selected. Now there is no alternate, so that we need to take as an individual cell group. Now the answer will be, the answer for this question, so this answer we need to write the answer for this one, and answer for this group, and answer for this group. Okay, now for the first group, individual cell, what will be the cell value? The cell value become a dash b dash c dash, a dash b dash c dash will be answer. The next group answer will be, next group answer will be 5 and 7. Who are common? 5 and 7. A and C are common. So that A, C will be answer. A, C. The next cell, for the next cell answer will be next group. 7 and 6. A, B is common. A, B is common. The final answer for this question will be f of A comma B comma C equals to A dash B dash C dash plus AC plus AB. AC plus AB. This is the answer for the given question. So let us move to the next one. Next one about 0 1 0 cell is selected, 1 cell selected, 3 cell is selected, 4 selected, 5 selected and 7 selected. Very easy question. Directly we can go for the 4 cell mapping, because in square shape we can able to map. Maybe you think that why don't we do this kind of mapping? We should not do it, because how many cells are grouping here? 6 cells are grouping, but in K-map there is no 6 cell grouping. We need to always think about the 2 exponential, 2 to the power of 0, okay, 2 to the power of 0, 1, nothing but 1 cell group possible, 2 to the power of 2, 4 cell group possible, 2 to the power of 3, how much? 8 cell group can only possible. It is not possible with the 6, okay, 1 and 2 to the power of 1 also, 2 to the power of 1, 2 cell grouping. Now 1 cell group possible, 2 cell group possible, 4 cell group possible and 8 cell group possible. Okay, no other cells are going to, no other grouping cannot be recommended. Now it is not could be possible, so that remove that group and perform the 4 cell grouping here. Easily we can able to perform the 4 cell grouping in the square shape. Now after that you need to think about the next remaining 2s which are not in the group. Now we can able to perform the individual group as a 2. But according to our mapping, we need to go for the maximum cell grouping. If there is no possibility for the maximum cell grouping, try with even overlap. Even that overlap also not possible, then go for the lower level grouping. But with the overlapping, we can able to perform the 4 cell grouping. If you take the overlap with the 1 and 5, you can able to perform the 4 cell grouping. Now here in this question, there are 2 4 cell groups are there. So this is a 1. What is the answer for this? The answer for 0 1 4 5 C, B dash is common. In 4 cell B dash is common. B dash. Next one is next to 4 cell, the red color group. Which one is common? A, B. A is not common, B also not common, C is a common. Now the answer for this question will be f of A comma B comma C equals to B dash plus C. This is the answer for the given question. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Next problem about 0 2 5 7 0 2 5 7 0 2 5 7. This one also very important one. Okay, here we can able to perform a group of, whenever you go to the question directly you map the cells which are very easy. Here we think that 5 and 7 are very easily we can able to create the group. There is no other alternate for the easy grouping. Now after that 0 2, is there any alternate for the 0 to 4? Not possible. 0 to 1 not possible. But there is a one procedure, that is a folding paper method. By using that method we can perform the edge mappings. 0 to, if you fold the paper, then by half 0 and 2 will touch one to each other, so that we can able to perform these two mapping, these two cell as a one group. Then answer for this group will be 0 and 2. Which one are common? A dash C dash are common. C dash are common. In the red color group, which one are common? 5 and 7. 5 and 7 will be A, C. AC will be common. The answer for this group will be AC. AC. The final answer for the given Boolean function will be A comma B comma C equals to AC plus A dash and C dash. Okay, this is the answer for the given Boolean function, and remaining example we will discuss in the next video.